Dim ond 2 flynedd yn ôl wnaeth Carolyn a Ian Robbins gymryd drosodd yng ngwesty'r Lauriston Court yn Llandudno. Nyrsio a gosod ceginau oedd cefndir y ddau. Nawr mae gofalu am westeion yn waith llawn amser.
Morning.
Oh, good morning.
What would you like for breakfast this morning?
This morning we'll cook 20 breakfasts. And we're well on our way now. Traditional breakfast cooked by Welsh woman.
Mae bron i 80 o filoedd o bobl yn gweithio yn y diwydiant lletygarwch yng Nghymru. Dyma'r sector gyda'r trosiant fwyaf yn y diwydiant bwyd a diod, dros 2 biliwn o bunnoedd y flwyddyn. Ond mae trosiant y staff hefyd yn uchel, sy'n golygu bod hyfforddi gweithwyr yn allweddol.
Today we've got 5 departs and 5 rooms where guests are staying.
I think it's a very important part that also as an owner, as a manager, that you share your training and your skills with other people by giving them all aspects of the business.
We try and look after them. They seem to enjoy the job really very, very much. They get satisfaction from having rewards, praise. We have little letters left in the room sometimes for them.
I'm a housekeeper at the Lauriston Court Hotel. I've been here for about a year now, and I enjoy it very much. I did my MVQ level 2 in housekeeping and hospitality back in a hotel in Manchester. At presentation, I say make sure everything is perfect. The little, like, I put a fold on a tissue in the toilet just to give it that little bit extra.
We don't just train and let them get on with it. We are constantly reminding them about the standards that we're aiming for.
I've had no training before this job. We've done it all on the job here. Carolyn's going to do my MVQs in hospitality here with me. It means a lot because I really enjoy my job here, and I'd like to have my own business one day.
Mae gweithwyr a gwesteion hapus wedi arwain at gydnabyddiaeth fyd eang i'r gwesti. Fe ddaeth Lauriston Court i'r brig o flaen gwestai yn Palm Springs a Morocco i ennill teitl y gorau yn y byd am wasanaeth. Daeth 20,000 o ymwelwyr i'w gwefan o fewn deuddydd ar ôl y cyhoeddiad.
It has come from our guests. It's not what some formal body has said, it's our guests, and that's what makes it so special and so real.
The most remarkable thing, I think, is the service, though. It was fantastic. We felt that we were visiting friends.
It's just so cosy. It's just like being back in your own home, especially in your living room or your bedroom. It's just really cosy and friendly.
The staff are just, honestly, I've never ever stayed anywhere where they're just so friendly. It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been a very, very nice experience.
Yn ôl Ian a Carolyn, mae yna wastad le i wella. Ond maen nhw wedi profi bod gwesti 11 stafell yn Llandudno yn gallu cystadlu ar lwyfan y byd.
You can never be complacent. You've got to really be trying to look at the research and to be moving on and being innovative. It's great. I love it.